Hi folks, this is Bob from Yes Reports. I've been asked how I made my YouTube thumbnail, and I use a free service called Canva. C-A-N-V-A, right here, C-A-N-V-A. I'll include a link to their site below this video. But it's a free service. I use the free version of it. And basically what I did was I clicked onto this YouTube thumbnail, but you could do more than just thumbnails. You could do Pinterest posts, you could do postcards, business cards, flyers, invitations, posters, Facebook covers, a whole bunch of stuff. More, I'll click the more sign. Let's see what else I can do. Oh boy, look at that. Social media posts, documents, blogging and ebooks, marketing materials, email headers, LinkedIn banners, SoundCloud banners. You can make announcements for events, ads, and I use their free version. So today I'm going to show you quickly how I did it. Keep in mind that I am still learning on how to make a living online because I want to have a freelancer lifestyle, side hustle lifestyle. I want to work from home and work remotely anywhere I want. That's the ultimate goal for me. So I do these videos as a way to show you how I did something. You younger folks, you probably know faster ways of doing it, which is awesome. But, bear with me. I'm going to show you how I did it, and maybe I'll be able to teach you something or point you in a direction that you may not have gone to. But in addition to that, you could do Facebook apps and Tumblr graphics, Instagram posts. It's pretty cool. And I used the free version once again. So basically the way I did it was I clicked on the YouTube thumbnail, which by the way, if you see right here, it makes it just the right size for YouTube thumbnails. And I uploaded a photo. I have a site that I get free commercial use photos, and I'll make a video about that after this one, where I get my free photos from. But basically, you could use one of their layouts, or you could just upload your photo and go from there. So what I did was I got a photo, this photo right here, from my free photo site. And I click on it, I uploaded it here, and then you stretch it out to where you want it to be, and then you just put words on it. It's that simple. So the way you put words on it is you click text, click on the box here. Okay, I use this heading, add a heading, and then you bring it over. Okay, you bring it over where you want it, and then you just I got rid of the words that were in there. So let's call this test YouTube. YouTube, and that's it. You if you want to change the color, you just put your cursor over here, you copy it, highlight it, and there's a color tab somewhere. Let's see. Elements, maybe. Let's see, shapes, icons, Canva. Somewhere around here there's a color tab that you're able to change the color. You can make it bigger, and it's pretty easy. When I'm all done, you hit download, and I always download a copy of it to YouTube, capital U. I always download a copy of it to my computer. That way I have it when I need it. But you could download a copy of it to your Canva account. And that's pretty much it. You could add whatever words you want. And that's how I made my YouTube thumbnail. It's pretty easy. I use the free version. I hope this helped you. If you like what we're trying to do, please give us a thumbs up as encouragement. And please subscribe to our channel, because I'm going to keep making videos of my journey to learning how to blog online and learning how to make a side hustle, remote income is my goal. So thanks for your encouragement. This is Bob from Yes Reports. Please like and share our video. Thanks. We appreciate it. Have a super day.